A pleasant and a very good Tuesday, everybody. It's February 25th, and you've got the Day Weather Podcast. It's very wintry out there, depending on where you are. It's very wintry. Overnight, some snow developed around western Nebraska and southeastern Wyoming, bringing snow to the southeast corner of Wyoming and the Panhandle, Nebraska. While only about 1 to 3 inches of snow fell, winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour, making kind of a mini little blizzard in some of the southeast counties of Wyoming and western Nebraska this morning, where you have a deep area of low pressure forming right now over southwest Nebraska, extreme northeast Colorado, and northwest Kansas. And the counterclockwise spin is bringing those strong northwest winds. We have little spokes of moisture and energy rotating around that low, and that's what's going to bring snow showers to the eastern plains of Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, western and southwest Nebraska, as well as up into the Black Hills of South Dakota and northeastern Wyoming. This is also going to continue to pump moisture into the mountains of Wyoming and Colorado, adding to what was a pretty good heavy snowfall again for the mountains over the last 24 hours. Here's the snowfall forecast that takes us through Friday. You can see how the bands of snow line up from the northwest to the southeast. The heavier snow will end up in north central Kansas, central areas of Nebraska, back into the Black Hills country, into this area here. Lighter snow amounts over eastern Wyoming and northeastern Colorado. So if you measure the snow in terms of inches, not a lot, but the strong northwest winds will cause a lot of blowing and drifting snow today and just really make it miserable in many areas tonight are headed down into the single digits. The high mountain valleys of western Wyoming and western Colorado will see sub-zero temperatures tonight. Now, I wanted to show you an animated version of the jet stream pattern here over the next 10 days. And what I want to show you, what is evolving as we leave February and head into early March. This first image right here, right now, is where we are now. And then it goes all the way through March 5th. And you can see we have several troughs that are going to want to come through the western United States after a break in the weather. Now, we do have a break in the weather coming. As we get on into late Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're going to put together 3 days, but especially Friday and Saturday, when we're going to be under a little bit of high pressure. And you can see that high pressure ridge developing right there. Then it goes away, and we head into an area of low pressure that comes on in around Sunday and Monday of next week. That's followed by another area of low pressure that comes in around Friday and Saturday of next week. So next week could actually bring 2 storm systems that could threaten us with stormy, snowy weather next week. So March may come in like a lion, and that's something that we're going to watch for you here over the next couple of days. The bottom line is it is going to be raw, cold, and windy, and occasionally snowy today, gradually improving weather tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then be ready for some changing weather again starting Sunday and for all of next week. Thanks for listening to the Day Weather Podcast. We'll see you on Wednesday.